What's going on, family? Marcus Rankin here again, your Houston, Texas realtor, and I'm excited to bring you this beautiful Ravenna Homes right here in Towne Lake in the suburb of Houston, Cypress, Texas. This property has all the upgrades that you would want inside of a property, including a media room, high bar, huge kitchen open to the living room, plus the exposed wooden beams. You're not going to want to miss it. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Houston, Texas realtor. I help folks buy, sell, and invest in real estate here in the greater Houston area. And if you want more information about this property or any other properties that I feature, link in the description below. And I hope you folks enjoy the tour. I'm excited about this property tour because this one is Ravenna Homes. So I know a lot of people don't really know much about Ravenna Homes, but this is one of those ones that they're luxury builder, but they're still in a great price range for the average family. So this property, this one is the 4290 plan. And the plan is kind of like Perry Homes where the square footage is very similar, but as soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice the crown molding on the top. Your 12-foot ceilings with great lighting fixtures as soon as you walk in. And then you're gonna have your beautiful flooring right here. And then we're gonna walk into this one, and this is gonna be a beautiful, spacious office right here. So if you notice, you have your baseboards that are gonna be all along the bottom of the property and the exterior of the home. You have your double window panels with the French doors inside. And then as you can see, with the 12-foot ceilings, the good thing about that one is it creates more of that roomy feel. And then we're gonna have, inside of this bathroom, you're gonna have your double sinks, matching lighting fixtures with the black mirror frames. It's actually perfect. And then you have your bathroom right here. So this one essentially is a Jack and Jill. So we have, this will be a bedroom right here. This would be perfect because that one could either be another game room, or you could have it as a bedroom. This one will have that closet in there, plenty of space for a whole bedroom set, nightstands. I know some folks would just use this as a guest room. That way you have your double sinks, but you can have it as another bedroom for the family, for the kids. And then you have your nice size closet right here. So perfect. And then once we walk out, you're gonna have your other closet, which would be coat closet, linen closet. You're using it essentially as with the built-in shelving for other papers and things like that. And then you have your powder bath, half bath right here. You'll notice you're gonna have the same countertops as over there, with the same lighting fixtures up here as well. So beautiful. The baseboards, they're gonna continue along throughout the property again. And you have your official coat closet right here. And then now you see your beautiful kitchen. So right here you'll have your quartz countertops with the crown molding all throughout the property, as you can see, with your high bar, with your island in there, the backsplash matching the wooden range hood. So as you can see, they definitely didn't leave any stone unturned. You've got your stainless steel double oven built in with the built-in microwave, with a white cabinetry that matches the entire property. So the good thing about this one is, as you can see, the attention to detail is immaculate, because just along with the lighting fixtures going along the high bar itself, you can see that it just gives it that nice touch. And then you can have your little breakfast area where you can use it essentially as another dining room. You have the dining room towards the back over there with the two lighting fixtures coming down to the table. So it'll be perfect for get-togethers, events, things like that. And then look how beautiful this living room is. So with the furniture being in here, you have plenty of furniture and you still have a lot of room. I mean, being 4,200 square feet, you're gonna notice a lot of the room in here as well, but you have your exposed wooden beams up there with all of the windows coming in for natural lighting. And as you can see, what I'll do is I'll pan it for you so that way you can see from the living room to the kitchen. And then as you can see, your front door right there. So you have your stones right there for your fireplace. Just gives it that beautiful, nice touch with your wooden ledge. So, I mean, the thing is with Ravenna Homes is, you know, essentially they've been around for over a decade and they really want to make sure that their customers are satisfied. And as you can see, with all the attention to detail that they have in here, it's absolutely beautiful. And then, so you see, they made sure they put tons of windows in here for plenty of lighting. It's absolutely beautiful. And then you have your other closet. So this could be used as another game room, bedroom, or what have you. Absolutely gorgeous. And then what we'll do is we'll go to the primary. Beautiful. So the good thing is they continued with the exposed wooden beams in the primary. And as you can see, the high ceilings, beautiful high ceilings. You have plenty of room in here with your sliding door going to the primary bathroom. Absolutely beautiful. They did a fantastic job in here. Now, once we enter into the primary bathroom, you're gonna have your rotunda ceiling with the lighting fixture coming down, with your soaking tub, with your his and hers sink. Absolutely beautiful. His and hers closet as well. And they made sure that inside of this plan, they included that standalone shower as well. So you have, this will be hers or his. And then we'll go to the next one as well. Plenty of space, tons of space in here. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they didn't leave any stone unturned. They made sure that whenever you step into here, you feel luxury. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we'll head over here. And then as you can see, you have another bedroom. Plenty of space in here as well. You got your carpet in here that has its own bathroom with a standalone shower. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you got your closet right here. Extends to the back, so that way you have plenty of space for all your clothes, whatever have you. And then this will be another closet. And what I want to do is I'll make sure to show you the front other room right here. That way you can see it. High ceilings, exposed beams in here as well. So this will be essentially your official study right here. Other one, it looked kind of like a study, but you just have it as a bedroom because it did have that closet in there. So make sure that you guys get that. So the good thing, again, about this one is that these little touches, they don't seem like much, but they definitely add a pop to the house. They definitely add a pop to the entirety of the house. And then what we'll do is we'll see right here. Now you have essentially your washroom, utility room, plenty of space inside of here. Let me see if I can get the light on for you. So you got your 3-car side-by-side garage. Actually, it could be a 4-car garage because you have it extended right here. Got your attic up there. And we'll see what's in here together. Going outside. So you got your epoxy floor right here. So 4-car garage. Wow. So if you only got 3 cars, you might need to get another one, or unless you like to do some work in the garage itself. And then you have your pantry right here with the high ceilings in here again. The wooden floors extend. Now we'll go to the upstairs here. And then that way you can see, so you got your carpet extending up here. Now you have beautiful media room. Plenty of space. Look how much space is up here. The good thing is with this media room, you have your bathroom attached to it as well. Beautiful. Great for entertaining guests. And you have essentially your half bath right here. You never have to leave. You can watch a movie, do it number 1, number 2, and go right back to the movie without missing a beat. And then right here, another little closet space. If you want to put some blankets or have anything just to get cozy for that movie room. And then I'll show you the backyard. And that way you can actually see that. You have plenty of room. So the good thing about this one too is with that upstairs media room, you'll have plenty of things to do, plenty of space to just entertain guests if they want to hang out in the backyard. You have your huge covered patio. Absolutely huge. And then it actually extends over here. And then now you have your backyard. So again, this property is fantastic for entertaining people. You have plenty of space, plenty of room, and you won't be disappointed at all. All right, folks, so I hope you absolutely love this Ravenna Homes property right here in Cypress, Texas, in Towne Lake. This is a beautiful property. They had a lot of upgrades. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We bring content every single week for you guys for your own benefit, so that way you know what's going on in the Houston market. Again, if you want any more information about this property, link in the description below, and I'll see you on the next tour.